morning, everyone. My name is Himanshu. I am from pharmaceutical department.
Hello everyone, I am also from pharmacy department, second year.
Hello everyone,
Myself,
this is Shivam from Pharmaceutical Department.
hi everyone, myself Manisha from Pharmaceutical Department.
Hello everyone, my name is Katangar and I'm from Pharmaceutical Department second year.
So the topic for the group discussion is artificial intelligence, boon or bane. Let's start.
Artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence is a technique of human intelligence in machines that mimics the human mind behavior. Can any machine can be used in artificial intelligence? Yes, any machine can be used in artificial intelligence if the machine exhibit human traits like learning or thinking process. The machine in the sense of artificial intelligence can be hardware or can be software. The very famous software where we can make cute puppy faces is Snapchat.
Today, artificial intelligence is a popular subject on which this whole business world and technological world is totally dependent. So, artificial intelligence is a very popular subject in today's life.
It also associated with human minds such as learning and problem solving.
Artificial intelligence is a concept which refers to the programming which can make machine intelligent. In simpler terms, the program or machine which made in such a way that keeps on learning with whatever output the machine creates. In my opinion, artificial intelligence is a boon to humanity as it vastly create more opportunity for people.
So in a more elaborate way, we can define AI as a system ability to correctly interpret external data, to learn from such data and to use those learning to achieve our goals, specific goals and tasks through flexible adaptation. AI analyzes its environment and take action to maximize its chances of success. So basically AI is the intelligence of human in computer language.
Have we ever wondered how traffic lights can work, or how a satellite can work, or how weather forecasting is done? These
Yes.
all questions are different, but the answer is same: artificial intelligence.
Yeah, the same. But on the other hand, there are many disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Like people are losing their jobs, they get unemployed. This is very big problem which occur due to artificial intelligence.
Exactly. All the jobs which humans do, if done by machines, what would lead to mass unemployment and eventually destabilize economic growth of countries.
On the other side, it also gives the employment to people.
But how? Please elaborate what you want to say.
Exactly, the software or the machine created by engineers. The engineers are employed by this.
But there are a lot of people which are illiterate in India, how they can get work or how they can get job. They even don't understand any language or any coding language, how they can work and how they depend on their family, how they work and how they survive.
I can totally agree with you, man. But I think artificial intelligence can easy our lives. It increases modernization. I am agree it increases modernization, but it rather lessen or drop human creativity, human mind creativity.
Yeah, due to it, human becoming lazy day by day. His her physical activity get slow or becoming ended day by day. One day come when human there are very shortage come in human body. Like in earlier time, the human being was very fast. He can run in jungles, Medan, in every roads. But today's our life become very serious. So artificial intelligence
It
is
is all our
good.
mindset, Himanshu. It is all about our mindset. If any people, anyone wants to do a physical work, he can choose for that. but the mindset is that people wants to go for artificial intelligence because of its benefits only.
But in earlier time, there was no option like artificial intelligence, but people had now option of artificial intelligence, due to which they choose easy path, that is machine learning, and they forget the hard working process.
That's true, and
Yes, I
that's our
totally
people
agree.
mindset.
I agree. Yes, I totally agree. That's why I said it increases modernization. It rather lessen or drop human mind creativity. Don't you
Creativity,
think that?
it can't be reduce human creativity. If anyone wants to create new things, he or she can create in artificial intelligence also, because artificial intelligence needs an upgrade time to time. We can't rely on one machine only.
But we are dependent on it, na? We are dependent on it. If we use calculator several times, we view calculator several times, we less or reduce our mind's creativity of calculating, na?
That means that we want to use calculator. If we will go for using mathematical equations to solve our data, to solve our equations, so that will improve our mentality. But we are going, or we are opting AI. We don't have to be dependent on that. We have to dependent on some works, but not totally that we are doing. But it means we have to change our mindset regarding AI. AI is for us, not we are for AI.
So overall, we can say that it can be life giving or life threatening. So it is totally dependent on our use and our mindset.
Yes, truly. The way we want to use the technology will be used by us.
These interventions are fine.
There are many examples of artificial intelligence which are very helpful for human being, like self-driving cars. In earlier time, driver make many mistakes like in road lights or traffic lights, but when artificial cars come on the road, the accident become very less and people are very safe.
Exactly. If there are opportunities for men, if there are opportunities for human, so why should not a human grab it if it lessen or reduce its work or its extent of physical work?
Yes, true. They will surely adopt this technology because it will be very helpful for them in future also and in their work also, and they will get a precise and accurate data of the work and the result also.
Due to
But I am
artificial
saying that,
intelligence, many countries are making dangerous weapons like China, so it can be very threatful for the world.
so don't you think that artificial intelligence is biased?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
I agree with you. It is totally biased.
Yes, exactly. If a person can know 2 plus 2 is 4, then the machine is also know 2 plus 2 is 4. So it's totally biased.
But machines cannot compare what is good and what is bad. That is emotional point I want to say.
Exactly. The definition reduces what exhibits human mind behavior, what exhibits human mind's character, learning or thinking process. So what a human think, he can code to the machine.
Himanshu, you are
Only
correct.
that is
And
the
that is
machine,
the
I say.
basic difference between humans and computers. Else computers are, if computers also starts feeling their emotions, then there will be no difference. And they will certainly rule us in a certain time. So it is correct that we have to be made to make a difference between everything. A large difference must be present to
So
Yes,
in field
yes, of
of
course. There should
artificial
be a balance.
intelligence, so in field of artificial intelligence, the development should be very controlled. We cannot make machine very intelligent, because when they become very intelligent, they overcome the human being. So development should be in control.
yes,
Yes,
true.
there are several machines. There are several machines which we using for protecting our environment or our development. So there is always a conflict between development and modernization. So artificial intelligence is the balance between development and modernization, and also environment.
Karan, can you
But
please
in
elaborate the
today's
point
world,
of
it is.
environment? Because we
But
need
in
to know
today's
about
world,
its, we need to know about it more.
I'm saying that there are various machines. There are various
Examples,
machines
examples.
like we have now the Parali system in Haryana or UP that causing the pollution in Delhi. So we are making a manure manufacturing machine from that Parali.
Yes, there is also
We
one
are
machine
making
that
this.
made by IIT Delhi students that we can
Yes, of
place
course,
on a
exactly.
road like a zebra crossing, and it will generate oxygen on its own from the energy generated from the tires of the cars or bikes.
Yes, exactly. Yes, exactly. That's what I'm saying. That we can protect our environment from
And the
artificial
great
intelligence also.
and the great thing is that a major step is given by our own country in improving this.
but the main disadvantage is this also, that government spend lots of billions of money on this artificial intelligence. It can spend money on poor people to survive their basic needs like food, water, electricity also.
Yeah, that's true. Companies and governments are investing billions of dollars ensuring more machines learning based tools which would calculate, evaluate, and give the best solution to human problems, which can help streamline things like water, electricity, etc. distributions.
But on the other hand, it also helps to human longevity.
How?
Yes. So don't you think there are not any disadvantages of this technique, artificial intelligence? There are, of course.
Everything comes with two faces. We have to choose.
Yeah, the
But
drawback, however, of more artificial intelligence would be de-evaluating the human brain because a human would always make mistakes, get executed, and would forget things, whereas a machine would never face these issues and would eventually replace people.
How you surely say that the machines do not do the mistakes while human can do?
machines are made by humans only, and if human makes a mistake in making a machine, that's then only will machine make a mistake. They are completely based on our programming or the way we want them to use us,
Yes,
not the way we
exactly,
use
exactly.
it.
Exactly,
Yes,
but we
exactly.
don't.
We programmed a machine. We program a machine. If we say 2 + 2 is 5, then the machine is say 2 + 2 is 5. We program this.
Exactly, sir. Exactly, we don't say कि machines do not get mistakes.
We can never say
Do not
that.
do mistakes.
We can say that machines don't do mistake, because the mistake will be done by human in making a machine, not by
That's
machine in doing its
human
work.
mistakes.
So we cannot say that machines make a mistake.
Machines like laptops and other artificial intelligence things making very threaten on life of economical world, because a very big businessman was threatened because of hacking. Hacking is a very serious problem in today's world. Many countries facing problems with this hacking problems, and many big companies are facing this problem of hacking. Their data get lost or
It is
threatened by
human
the
made.
people, and
My friend, it is human made thing, and it is not a permanent, it is temporary. Not like natural things which are permanent in our life. Temporary things can be destroyed, and there are several techniques to destroy them, and one cyber attack is one of the major technique to destroy artificial intelligence. Cyber attack wants to detonate our artificial intelligence. It is not about hacking or anything. It is about taking disadvantage, and there are many people who wants to be an evil in this society. So we just need to be assured that human-made things can never be permanent in our life. It can once be destroyed.
Yes, there is always a check. There is always a check between human intelligence or human intelligence made machines. There is always a check. So we can control these cookies and hacking, etc. These type of things.
By just having a basic knowledge of AI, we can protect ourselves, our system from being hacked or by cyber attacks and by other things also. Suppose if you just previously said there are conditions of war machines also, but by a cyber attack and by hacking also, we can control these war machines and prevent the war. So they are everything, positivity and negativity. It just depends on human mentality. What he want to be in the society, he wants to live like a legend or like a doom. So it depends on him. Let's conclude this topic.
Its conclusion can be, I can say that this is modernization, whether it's lesson or drop human mind creativity, like human mind can make, or it, because human mind can inherit many of the data, or like a research said, human mind can store 1000 TB of data that a machine stores. So we cannot compare to human mind these artificial intelligence made machines. We
We can
cannot
never
compare.
compare machine with humans. Humans are much more intelligent than machine because machines can never create a human, but a human can
Yes.
always create a machine and can upgrade also from time to time. So we can never compare human data with machine. The machine, the work the machine does is the ability or the thinking process of human also. Is human only, because who have ever thought one who have ever thought to utilize to take a heavy load by the help of a crane is the use of human brain only, not a use of a machine brain to use its parts and to load a heavy load.
Yes,
So we
I
can say
totally
that.
agree with you.
So in conclusion, we can say that every coin has two faces. That is good and bad. That is totally dependent on our mindset.
Our
So if
choice, yes,
human,
our mindset and our choice, exactly.
The choice we
like a
make today,
criminal,
the choice we make today will give the result tomorrow.